Please stand by.
Yes. Actually today, I want to explain explicit weight example, but it is not working my end. I have taken one example site, but it is not working. So I will write a program some other one. So we'll get tomorrow. I will explain Xpath and CSS in detail. Today I will take Xpath and CSS in detail. So give me a control. I will share my screen. Okay. Okay. So come to the Xpath. So Xpath syntax is Xpath is defined as query language for you to navigating it through XML document. XML, it depends. Okay. So as we know that slash specify the tag name of HTML and open its bracket. It should be an attribute. Okay, the attribute name is the assigned value. This is our syntax. Okay, this is syntax, exactly syntax. That example here in the Google, yes, for this here, this is a division. Okay, so I want to write a division for the highlighted red color. This highlighted stuff we will get export for this. So how we will write this? First, if you take syntax, what is the syntax? Syntax is slash attribute name, extension, and attribute value. Attribute. So this is syntax of Xpath. So in this example, which is highlighted here, so you see this is tag. This is one of the tags. So tag is div. So what I will do is I will make here Xpath here 2 slashes, string with the 2 slashes, and tag name is div here. Okay? Tag name is div. This is the one. I attribute either this tag has attribute of name is ID and class and dir. There are 3 attributes for this division tag. Okay, so the attribute you can take. So here you need to mention attribute name. So if you take ID, ID is the attribute name and value is a I of CO. Okay, value. So if you take class is the attribute, what is the value? P and B. So attribute name is a dir and attribute value is a LTR. Okay, you see that if I write a Xpath here, if I take ID, attribute ID equal to, so what are value? Attribute value. So this is ID, one of the attributes taken here, attribute name, and value this one. So for this value. So single quotation, follow the single quotation as per the syntax. So single quotation and FB underscore IF FC O. Okay, so this is the exact Xpath. This is one of the Xpath and we check one more way. So taken by another attribute. This of head class is the attribute. And the class value? Class value is SBIV underscore V. Okay. So we say DIV, okay, DIV division, square bracket red DAR is one of the attribute, and single quotation, the value is LTR. So what to say is, if you want to write any Xpath of any element, so first thing would be need to be remember or the focus on that where element is the element holding tag. So the element exactly is there in the tag, and you can choose the unique attribute value and the unique attribute name value. So it may be perfectly correct, sometimes it may be depends upon. So there is a ID defined in there, one more element as same. So that time will not work. So most of the time the class names are similar for the two elements. So that time it will not work. Maybe it will be unique. So what I say is, writing the XPath, you need to specify, you need to look for any unique elements. Unique elements. Suppose, we'll write one of the example. We'll take the example real time. See that. So I want to write Xpath for this. Okay. So I want to write Xpath for this. So here, like it has a link text, you can also write Xpath. So what is tag name? See here. Write any one of the, if it also you can write. So this is my tag name, and this area I want to like write Xpath. So it is a tag name is a and HRF attribute is a hash. So I will not take this one. There is a title. There is a title is there, or one more attribute, and title is a attribute and value. So I will write the Xpath for here. So that okay slash there is a tag name and TLE title and single quote, and that do not write, please copy the text. Do not write, please copy text. You can observe this thing, like most of the time I will do in the Firefox, only. So for these days we should follow Firefox only. So this is the area you can see this observation. So after one is if I properly write, so it should have it here with the color. And as see the area you can see that leave one of one. So the element is fine. And only one element is not fine. Okay, it is fine. This is not the case. So directly, so you can take any one of the tag name and you can write the Xpath. Okay, Xpath. So many things here. Here also you can write title is contact. So title is contact. Plus A and title contact. Okay. Yes. Suppose I want to get links in this page. See that if I perform my tag name, okay, so my tag name A. Okay, so from there I go out of 12. So this is the result. That means X are employed in many places in this year. So this is one tag, and you can see the how many divisions are there. You can find divisions. One division, only one division is there. Suppose how many ULs. Okay. So UI is on order list and order list. UI is on order list and order list. Okay. So this is the basic stuff. So go to write a Xpath. Okay. Xpath. So this is tag name, several slashes, then tag name, and attribute. One of the attribute, not only ID, not only name, not only DIR. Our tag has the unique thing, which is and specify the value. Okay, so this is a basic, very basic. So going forward, we have many things, and see that here is explaining what is a single slash and double slash. As I told you last time also, I think. So single slash and double slash are used to create an absolute and repeat part. So this is the absolute part and the double slashes related part. Okay. So they explain later. So single slash is used to start the selection from the root node. Okay. Double slash is used for fetch the current node matching section. So what meaning of this is? HTML double see that. So let us assume that this is our HTML. Okay. So here, if I make, so what is like Selenium will that or will element based on this Xpath ID whatever. So it will refer a document node, then go to HTML, then go to header, then go to each and every node will be traversed. Then the element is the exact mechanism. So you pass like a single slash. Okay, the single slash. So exactly the meaning of it. Slash is used to start selection from the root node. So what root node? Suppose I want to write a for this HTML. Suppose this is like a absolute part. So HTML, okay, and header, and body, and paragraph. So this is absolute part. We are given a single slash and the root will from HTML and header and then be and it will paragraph. If you have the paragraph is a property here that you can write, but it does not have that's the reason I kept like. If this one, so the parsing mechanism for the Selenium, it will come from the HTML and go to header, the body and paragraph. Then I will. Instead of being like a direct link related path //p. Whenever you apply the Xpath with the two slashes, it will go to one node and go to header, it will not go to body. It will directly look for in the document, there is a C, that's it. Immediate search. The tag, based on the tag of related to path. So the speed of finding elements. Okay? Yes. See, same thing, meaning like what is the tag? Tag is a HTML starting and ending element with the less than greater than. There are used to enclose a different element and provide the more information about the process of element. In the above, like a division, example of above division, and there should be a input, I think. Division and input. Division and input tag is there. Attribute is a define the property. Attribute is define the property that HTML element holds. Then in the image, I class and dir are the attributes. And values. So values are the name suggested in the value of attribute. Example, these things. Okay. Using Xpath syntax, so we can able to write a possible Xpath. We have done this one. See that. We have done this one. We make a one line, but I created a line like this 3-1. Okay. See the difference. What is the difference between? So this may be the interview question. Let's take on it. Okay. What is the difference between Xpath, like About Xpath and Relative Xpath? So the first Xpath question is created by object path in direction from the root, and the action either begins with the slash, single slash, or the root node. The DOM is nothing but document. It reads to element. And this HTML. So study this one. And the DOM is this one. So it will reach to HTML header, title, and header body. Something. Relative path with expressions a lot of more compact and forward double slash, and Xpath can select the elements at location that matches the function criteria necessary to begin with the root node. Okay, so that is the way. So the mechanism for the things. And then the dynamic topic is like finding dynamic elements. So dynamic elements, like from the value will be changed sometime, the Xpath will be changed, something like that. See, many times the automation we either do not have the unique attributes. Attributes are changing. The attributes are changing, and it is not unique. So that time how we will handle the dynamically generated attributes names. Okay. So I think like we have to use two functions here. Use text and use content. Use text and using content, and element the index Xpath access. So Xpath access means parent, child, followed, resident, ancestor. Okay. So do that. We'll see this one. So this is a standard one. So I told you attribute. The first section is very standard to particular thing. It means not dynamic. They are not at all changing. They are all changing. Okay. So the below are the dynamic. So below it may like the value be changed. The value can be dynamically append that ID. Suppose how it is like this standard. This is a standard attribute. Suppose, and run it may be 1, 2, 3. So next release it may be like 4, 1 or 2, 3, 1. So release may be like 9, 6. So you have to observe this one. This is a very standard for every release. This is there. Apart from this one, it is. So though this is not more dynamic, your attribute is dynamically changing for every release. So what we will do is we will use the contain. So this word is contained for every time. Then I say that it is the like division of ID. So what is the division of ID? This is the thing. This is the one we are going to find. So like that, we have the content and this is the text. Okay. See that how we'll write the text. Okay. And suppose if I go to the link, google.com. Instrument. This is a feature is a tag. So I'm here adding a text content. So slash slash and A is a attribute and what is that method is text. Text flag of text. Txt text method equal to is equal and single quotation. And what is that tag name? Feature. Features. So this is a feature. Two. One of two is two. We have two things here. So the feed text tag, like the tag, the text feature has two. One is the A tag, another also one A tag. So right now see that how much we came. We got two exports. One is for nation, one is yeah, I'm able to find more than where it is. So I want to write this unique one. So right now we are getting two text content features. The anchor tag. So you have to look for parent one. This is the parent one. Li is the next parent, and UI is the one of the another parent, and this is the another parent. See, these are the things you need to observe here from the Xpath. So into here, one is open. So here the arrow is down in the sense for no point. Is this way, it is closed. Okay. So while running Xpath, you have to observe this put in that HTML. Okay. So this one, body is open. Body tag is open, and engine tag also open, and this header tag also open, and this tag is not open. Not open array is in this one. And same thing, this is not open. Navigation also is not open. And now there is a no open. So this is the one, it is open. Okay. So div product navigate. So and next UL list also open, and there will be order list. So I'm assuming that this may be my root of the node. Okay. Right now I'm getting two elements in the same Xpath. So if you got one, this is a project or statement to click. The first will be clicked perfectly. The second, if you want to click second element, it will fail the click. So writing the Xpath, we need to you need to write a unique Xpath. So for reason, we should navigate for the parent. Okay. So look for a parent one. That Travis. So it is. So one write that. So this is the my. So just a second. So now I take the notepad and I'm writing the Xpath here. And my root node as and attribute, it is a attribute. And what attribute name? Name is navigate link and EL and LI. So now this time I got 6. Earlier got how many? But I got 6. So that 6 are but names are different. See, the names are different. From here, you can play again after this. Okay, after one part, exit text and then text and equal to. Okay, let either whether it is or not how. Part of it, yeah. Now you can see only one element. Unique element is fine. See that. So one. Now one and one is highlighted. Now one is highlighted. How I done? Parent one, parent of up to here parent. If I read the parent Xpath, again I started the slash and text. So this Xpath is parameterized. Yes. One more observation. I'm doing in index. Suppose if I find one Xpath, I can take all the links. It can be feature and it will be very next one. Media. The resource. Let's remove the addition. Continue with the place. So price I can use for same part I can use for feature running and next is yes support meeting and many things I can use. Many things I can use. Okay. So example for this one. Okay. We'll see that. Okay, so the next thing is public wide Xpath, example Xpath. Simple method. Inside that I'm opening driver dot find element, sorry, driver dot get and what is the link? The link is go to meeting. Suppose driver dot and names and by dot Xpath. Okay, and my Xpath is this one. This one. And what to do? And you click that link. Dot click. And here it should be specify this feature. So feature link should be clicked. Okay, click the feature link. So this is the proper spot, and let's see that, and I will come this one. So line browser, create a object of this particular class, export session 1, and export session 1. So it's one dot browser, and it's one export. Sorry. Export. Okay. One. It should come features. Yeah, perform the features. Okay. So here if I make a feature, okay, and therefore if I make a here pricing. Yeah. I make here support one action. And, okay. Yeah. So on this one, it will do like 360 operations. Our Xpath is mostly similar. The feature like star equal to single quotation feature, single quotation price, single quotation support with parameters. So we'll do that. Click on features. What happened? Click on feature.
I think support opened in the new tab.
Is it supporting new tab? Yes.
think so.
It's not opening in new tab. Yes, got it. Price is in the same tab. Then it is fine. Okay. So, yeah. So, we parameterize this tab. Okay, this should be parameterized. See that I'll make you one variable. Okay, make you one variable as the test. Okay, feature. Feature. And then just below two lines of code. Linking. Okay, so here be a plus symbol within the quotes, plus symbol before them in the quotes.
నా వాటర్ కావాలి.
Yeah. Hello.
ఇప్పుడు కావాలి.
So are you talking to me or? So this is the way we can parameterize. See that single quotation should be, and within the quotation there should be this is the way of parameterization. So now this link name will come in that as a feature. So now it. ठीक है. Okay. So the parameters this also. Now make so this is a single parameter. Just I'm telling to you like understanding links link names of I suppose it should be the array. Now is a stable or hash note whatever. Okay. So this will be with me. I will make as an array and the square bracket. And for our example, 1 and 2 and 3. So there a declaration. Earlier it is a feature, first one, and it should be this one, and it will support third one. This is link name of okay, the link name of 0. And the same thing you can copy from here up to here. And name of one till now you copy properly. Yep. Okay, it is perfectly right. But we should enable that. Maybe this is the that's it. See that. Is a 1 and it is 2. So that's one index. This is 0 index, 1 index, 2 index. So it should click that feature and it should click that price, it should click that subject. Okay? So that is the way we can parameterize. Whatever you can parameterize anyway, any method. So like use array list whatever. Perfectly right. There is one more scenario. Public void and complement. Okay, complement using Xpath. What exactly meaning is, suppose all the links in the page. Okay, I want to get links, the links printed in the home page. Okay, I will click to see that. First we will find out and later on we will click. Okay, so for that, dot find element, revert dot find element, find dot Xpath, okay, within location slash yeah. So here is view the all the this. Suppose if I make here in my home site, to go to your home page. If I write the Xpath here, the inspect element, if I write the Xpath as a star, I'll write it star. So you can see observe here, you can got a 205. You got a 205. 205 links are available in the home page. 205. Okay? Yes. So now we'll get that and I'll apply this way. And here it is not a one element. So the funnel will find only one element, but it is a list of elements. Okay? So instead of using element, we will use the elements. And so find elements. Find elements. Second method, we will return a list of web elements. List of web elements. So what is, make the list of web elements, and all elements. All variables are elements. Only elements. So this is the way we can write. What is element? Element. And yes, web element. Improvement. Yes, elements. See that means just I'm counting my size of the elements. Instead of print element, all elements dot size. All element dot size. Oh. So total links, total number of links are available in the page. Okay, and second thing is like system dot out dot internet. Okay, and let's see that up to here, and then we'll go. Yes, sorry, we can't call this method here. We have to call it here. Sorry. So comment Xpath method is not about called. So I'm calling method access not how's that? We have to find the run statement and the size of this couple. So like that you can count the number of division, number of order list, whatever. but link most of the time will work out in real time. Or slow. It's satisfied. Till now it is loading. Yeah. We got a one plan. Okay. Many links are available. Okay. The links are available. What if it is, see that one more time. I will make a maximize button. But manage dot window dot maximize the budget. Let's see that any links that comes are only 120. Suppose you can set some extra link keys in no problem. So now show the size 122. Okay. Now see that I want to print the link names. I want to print the link names. So this is a for loop and this is a for loop and it is a string element or web element. It is a web element. Okay. It is a web element. Web element and link element. Element and code. Code is that all elements. System of the printer. Okay, system of the printer and element in this link element. So the people will confuse here. See that there is no explaining here. I can read the links. It's not right. Okay, nice. And I should get size of the element and these are element is whoever this is a thing or this is you got this. Why we haven't get the link to it? Any idea? It come the link name or text. It should come link text. But if we are not getting the link text, we are getting this element. Web element is the object. Which is the object. Okay. In the element object, you can get the perform a text. Get text here. So here, the link is a web element type. What is a web element type? In that, you can perform a get text. Get. Now, see the link names. So few links names are coming, few links names are not coming. So what I think? Okay, something will be like reload. There will be some other functionalities depending, and United States terms, and this is the one trade. download. So this is like a go to office. So it means earlier it is not came, but now it is came means user get text. User get text. So text is not there, but there should be a link. Okay, and this is the one way. Get count is come, and I want to click. Suppose I want to click this link. Okay, so in every link you want to click something like that. So here you can come element, what is that? It's element dot click operation. Dot click. So the thing is, it will click the first element, and if it is the same page, it will click the next element. If it is not same page, then the element is not. As you know that. So you are seeing the link means it should navigate on another page. Within the segment, the segment will be next page will be found.
Sometimes the site is on loading. Is no issue. Like you site, right?
See, it is not visible. So it is not visible. Element is invisible element. Invisible. Okay. So concept here is it is not visible or we are not checking. Just we are able to get down and we are able to get the text. That is the our point. Okay. That is the main point here. So this is the way like you can handle the Xpath, parameterization, count, and something. And you can, the next thing is contains also there, indexes also there, and these are the very important steps. Okay. See that exactly the definition, and we'll see tomorrow this thing. Okay. Tense also we'll see tomorrow. No problem. See this is Xpath access. A child. So let's to select the child node, reference node, syntax will be reference of child is /of : tag. Will be : tag. What is the parent tag? So we should follow this syntax : child tag, parent tag, ancestor, exgens. Okay, follow tag. So this give examples for these tomorrow. So we go through that and do you understand that Xpath writing is a very important topic, and this topic is very similar to CSS. If you understand this one, it is very easy to understand the CSS selector. Yes. I'll stop here. So let me know if you have any questions. Yeah, I will show you.
Can you share this document now?
Yeah, I will write it. I will show you. Yeah.
Sheikh, I have another doubt actually.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, tell me.
Okay, if you open flipkart.com, when you click on login, there is one pop-up coming, right? Is it a pop-up or what is this actually? I can handle that.
Flipkart. Okay. Flipkart.com.
Click on login now.
Click on login. Okay.
That pop-up or window, what it is? Directly try to access that username and the password. I couldn't do that.
Yes, you can directly access. You can directly enter. If you know this inspect element, you can directly. You can try the Xpath or ID property, input tag the text. Input tag text. Type the Xpath for this.
I tried with class actually saying Selenium not
Try with input. Try with input. So write Xpath, input, create type, equal text. Same thing with this also. This right is Xpath for you.
But it's pop-up kind of thing, right? Will it work directly?
It is actually object model. So the pop-up form. So see that. Suppose I file here. We are getting our channel. This window. This window. And focus is this type of windows we can use in the same windows. We should focus or not. Like, so that if not, we need to focus. But focus automatically comes. This type of pop-ups. This pop-up will be window pop-up. This is only, but the focus will come. See, app is different. Opening another window is different. So that this is Angular JS. Actually, this is Angular JS to get immediate focus on this page. It will within the page only. It's within the page. So you write a proper Xpath, then you can able to write, like enter the data.
Maybe I will try it one more time and we can.
You can try this. See, this is the Xpath writing. See, I will give that syntax. Slash input tag. Input, and date the type is your, and you can see here text. This is the one. Actually, you are getting two. You are getting duplicates. Where it is? It will work. If let's see that. Okay. Remember me, it's not working for you. Let's try that. Not working. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So I'll stop here and we'll continue tomorrow.